Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met, I'm Martina, and I've created a brand that's perfect for anyone who loves making crochet bags and accessories. Macre Bag is a space designed for crochet lovers and even for beginners who have never practiced this ancient art before. We specialize specifically in making bags, so you'll see plenty of tutorials designed for various bag styles. And you too can create everything you see with your own two hands. But what will you find on this YouTube channel? We create complete step-by-step tutorials for various bag models of all kinds, designed for experts but also for beginners, those who've truly never held a crochet hook and want to start. At the same time though, MacreBag is also an online shop. Our shop is called macrebag.it. Here, you can choose to buy yarns and accessories to make your creations, and in just a few days, a package will arrive right at your door. If you're passionate about this world and want to join our community and finally create something with your own hands that has its own value, I suggest you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to get all the notifications. But you can also find us on various social media channels like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook under the name Macre.bag. Step into this world and bring your creativity to life. I'll see you in the next tutorial.